need to keep your circle very small, because you may never know who is real and who is fake. If someone is giving you bad vibes, bad energy, just cut off that people, because your gut feeling, your energy, your intuition never lies. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So those who are new, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Kajal. I'm 23-year-old living in Goa. I make content about fashion, beauty and also about knowledge. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So you all must have seen the title of this video, that is 5 things I wish I knew when I was in school, college. Okay, so आज का जो वीडियो है ना, I'm going to keep it raw and real. I won't be over exaggerating anything, I won't be over explaining anything. This is truly my experience, my thoughts and my opinions. Okay, so all these 5 points I have written in my diary, and one by one I'm going to tell you all that. Okay, so the first and very important, without writing that point first, let me ask you one thing, ki are you a socially introverted person or extroverted person? Pause this video and comment down below. So why I'm asking this is because the first impression is the very important thing. Okay, I know we all are shy, we all are nervous during our first day. Okay, and it's quite normal. Okay, because even I was like that. Okay, but what I'm going to tell you is that कि शाय होना या फिर नर्वस होना पहले दिन, या फिर even like during the first 15 days, even during the first 1 month is fine. ओके लेकिन उसके बाद अगर ये हमारी हैबिट ऐसे ही अगर रह जाती है ना, तो इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम. इट्स ओके टू बी शाय एट फर्स्ट, बट learn to adapt to the new environment. Okay, it might take you days, it might take you even 1 month, 2 months to adapt to the new change, and that's totally fine, because the first impression on other students, on your teachers is very important, because that's how they are going to see you for the rest of the year, for the rest of your college life. Am I right? I remember my first day in higher secondary. I was a very shy person. I was a totally introverted person. I used to see कि other people, they were interacting with each other. They had their friends, but I was alone. I never had any friends. Okay, within first 2 months at least, I was very shy. Okay, I was not even used to, interact with other people. Those who used to sit behind me or in front of me, they used to ask my name. I just used to answer that, and again back to my novel. And I never got a chance to interact with other people, and that was the biggest mistake I ever did. Second thing is participate in college events, participate in extracurricular activities, because this is a place where you come out of your comfort zone, where you learn how to boost your confidence, where you learn how to interact with each other, your seniors, your juniors. And it's very important to join the college groups, college clubs which you will be interested in. It can be anything. Okay, sports. Okay, especially boys, you can join sports. Okay, even if you are shy, boys tend to be friends with each other very quickly than girls, because at the end of the year you are going to get a certificate. But that is a different thing, because here what is important is that at the end of the year you will see yourself growing, you will see yourself getting confident. Okay, you will know how to interact with others, your seniors, your teachers, your juniors. Okay, it can be anything. And in future, if you want to take up a job where you need to interact with your seniors, with your juniors, okay, you need a better communication skills, right? And this is a phase where you learn all this. And if you are a shy person, I don't know what to tell you, because being shy is not gonna help you in any ways, because that's where I missed out on so many things, so many college events, so many other activities, and I regret it the most. Okay, and I don't want you to repeat that same mistake again. Third important thing is friendship. Okay, this is where most of the people get emotional. Most of the people don't even come out of their comfort zone because of friends. Okay, if you are friends with people who are interested in studies, sports, college events, extracurricular activities, anything, that is a plus point. But if you are friends with people who are who don't even come out of their comfort zone, who don't like interacting with other people, because being friends with such people is not going to take you anywhere. They are only going to take you down. I'm not saying in a bad or negative way, but being with such people is like being at a very, at a place where you can't explore your college life, you can't even explore your campus life. Okay, forget about other activities, other events. Okay, and where you're going to be stuck at. I won't say I had many friends, because I had a very small circle of friends, and this is what important. Okay, you need to keep your circle very small, because you may never know who is real and who is fake, and this is what we all experience during our school and college lives. Am I right? I knew that I'm not going to keep up with them for the rest of my life, so there was no point in wasting my energy on them. But I still have few of my close friends. They are very close to me right now. You should know who is real and who is fake. If someone is giving you bad vibes, bad energy, just cut off that people, because your gut feeling, your energy, your intuition never lies. Okay, so always listen to it, because at the end of the day what matters is you and not others. Fourth point is, do not waste your precious time. Okay, because during college days we feel like, okay, we have holidays now, chalo, let's go somewhere, let's make a trip. Or even after your exam you feel like, chalo, exams khatam ho gaye, now I'm free to do whatever I want. But don't waste your time like that. Take up any part-time job, or if you don't feel like working at that age still, just take up any other course. Okay, it can be anything you like. Part-time jobs are important at this age, because I personally feel ki it will help you pay for your tuition fees, it will help you pay for your bus fees, okay, your mobile recharges, your basic needs, anything. Work wherever you want. It can be a cafe, it can be a bakery, a restaurant, a hotel, wherever you want to feel like working. Because I feel ki whenever you work for the first time, whenever you hit your first salary, the level of excitement, the level of happiness you get is unmatchable. And if you are a person who don't feel like working, no problem, just take up any course, any crash courses, learn different languages, learn different subjects. Even if you are a BA student, you can still learn psychology, you can learn sociology, economics, anything, only if you are interested. I'm not forcing you, but it's your choice after all. But see that you don't waste your time. So the last and my most favorite is grooming. Okay, as I said earlier in the first point, that first impression. What was the last point? As I mentioned earlier, your first impression is very important. Okay, the way you dress up, the way you represent yourself says a lot about you and your personality. So I don't know if your college has their own uniform codes or anything, because when I was in college we did not have anything as such, so we were free to wear whatever we want. But there were certain rules ki, okay, there were no crop tops allowed, no ripped jeans were allowed, no short dresses were allowed. As a college student, you should know how to dress up. Okay, you just cannot go there wearing anything. Okay, because college is where you should be learning. Okay, because I remember when I was in college, there were students who used to dress up as if they were, they had come for a party, and it was so weird. See that you groom yourself properly, cut your fingers, I mean cut your nails. Okay, see that you dress up properly. Okay, whatever it can be, just make sure that you wear formals most of the time. Okay, and as for girls, we get lots of options. You can wear short kurtis, you can wear different dresses, but see that they are formal. I'll just stop this video for today. I hope I covered all the important topics, and I hope you guys like this video as well. So please suggest me in the comments what else you would like to see, what other topics you would like me to cover up. Okay, and also if you would like to see me on screen every day, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram handle is in my description, in my bio, so make sure to follow me on Insta as well. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.